you a WTI, and if you are a big pizza lover like myself,
then you have to try this pizza pan by Norjac. It is made with such high grade quality aluminum. It is extremely durable. It is absolutely perfect for pizza. The wide rim makes it so easy to grab and to handle if you are using a pizza paddle or anything like that. The aluminum creates such perfect heat distribution, which really makes for a perfect crisp pizza crust. It is also very useful as an overall serving tray that you can put fruit, cheeses, and cleanup is such a breeze. Quality of aluminum really helps to not have any rust issues with this tray.
It doesn't matter if you want to use this as a serving tray for hors d'oeuvres or you want to use it as a pizza pan. This is going to do such a great job and just really make a great addition to your kitchen utensils. And that